In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create versatile email templates using ChatGPT. This process will help you streamline your email communications, customize messages for your brand, and save time in your everyday correspondence. Let's dive in and simplify your email workflow. First, we'll start by opening up ChatGPT. Head over to your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. If you haven't already signed up, you'll find straightforward instructions to set up your account. After logging in, you'll want to start a new chat, giving you a clean slate to begin crafting your email templates. Now that you're set up, the next step is to tell ChatGPT exactly what type of email you need. For instance, if you're in the process of applying for jobs, you might request a professional email template for following up on a job application. Clearly stating your needs helps ChatGPT generate the most relevant content for your specific purpose. Once you have an initial draft in front of you, it's beneficial to ask for multiple variations to ensure versatility in your communications. You could ask ChatGPT to generate 3 different versions of the follow-up email: one formal, another friendly, and a concise version. This approach provides you with options that can be tailored to different contexts, whether you're addressing a hiring manager, a colleague, or a potential business partner. At this stage, it's important to customize these drafts to align with your brand or preferred tone. If you're part of a small creative agency, for example, you might want to rewrite these emails in a more friendly and approachable manner. Customizing the language and tone will help your emails resonate more effectively with your audience and reflect the unique personality of your brand. As you refine these templates, consider adding personalization placeholders to make them even more adaptable. You might include placeholders like name, company, and position, which allow you to easily insert specific details for each recipient without having to rewrite entire sections. This step significantly enhances efficiency and personalization. Further extending the utility of ChatGPT, you can create templates for different purposes to cover all your communication needs. Think about what you frequently deal with in your professional life. For example, you might ask ChatGPT to help you craft email templates for welcoming new customers, offering discounts, or handling complaints. Each type of email can have its own tailored structure and language to suit its specific function. Finally, once you've created these templates, it's time to save and reuse them. Copy the final versions and store them in your preferred email tool, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or MailChimp. Having them readily available means you can easily adapt and send emails whenever required, making your email management process smoother and more effective. And there you have it. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can create and customize email templates that are ready to reuse and personalize, saving you time and enhancing your communication workflows. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope you found these tips helpful for optimizing your email strategies.